welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for dropping by. This is actually my first video here, and I will be uploading natural hair content, hairstyles inspiration, hair growth tips, hair care maintenance, stuff like that, blah blah blah. So do so well to subscribe if you're interested in that. Today I'll show you all how I achieved this passion twist using just a regular straight hair extension and not a water wave. So if you're interested in that, of course you should be interested in that. Let's jump right into it.
Baby, so go.
To save more bobbin pins, I added 2 straws and pinned it up with one, and then added another using 3 straws for just 2 pins. Another way you can secure the ends without actually using bobbin pins is by rolling the ends of the hair on itself over and over again till it's tight and secure. So I simply move them all into one bowl. Is it just me, or this actually looks like gold maggots? Well, I went ahead to add hot water, and when I say hot water, I mean hot water, like water that is in boiling point. This is so because you don't want your curls to come out like spaghetti instead of like noodles, if that actually makes sense. So this is how my DIY spring came out looking. You should also get something like this. I went on to unravel the springs and it was quite hard. That was because of how I had twisted them at the beginning. So you should do that loosely to get neater springs and for it to be easy for you to unravel. I already made these braids by myself. I made them this size because I wanted to get some butterfly locks, but I had to change my mind. So I went in with my crochet hook, inserted my hair extension, closed the hook, pulled it out and drew it out by the loop as seen in the footage, and it should come out something like this. I swear we're headed on the better days and the sun will come up again, 'cause you brought me the sun. So this is what my locks resulted at, and this is definitely not what I wanted. Like, it looks so damn frizzy and I got frustrated. I did not like this. I decided to improvise and do something else because I'm not going to let my money go to waste just for that. I mean, that ain't gonna happen. Like, it is not going to happen. So I decided to do some passion twist since it also requires this sort of hair extension, and I went ahead to twist my hair using this, hoping that I get something nice from this. Worthwhile, now I feel like I believe in a higher love. And look, it came out really nice. Like, this is way better than the really frizzy fox locks, and I continued with that. I inserted the extension the same way I had done with the locks by using my crochet hook, and I unraveled the braids I had made so I can twist the hair alongside the hair extension. Next, I went ahead to divide my braids into two smaller sections so I could have more passion twist, fuller passion twist, and I braided them to a certain point so I could get my crochet hook underneath or at the middle, the center, you get. Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on the better days and the sun will come up again, 'cause you brought me the sun. So this was the result of my passion twist. I was so in love. Like, I love this. This is really nice. I like it. I went ahead to trim it because the end was quite, I don't know, quite uneven. So I trimmed it so it could get more even, neater and nicer look. Then went ahead with my ORS olive oil wrap set mousse. It's infused with coconut oil. I used this so I could reduce the frizz from the passion twist. The way you smile makes the past worthwhile. Now I feel like I believe in a higher love. Somebody let the sun come
up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. Headed on the better days, and the sun will come up again. 'Cause you brought me the sun.
Thank you very much, muchas gracias, kamsahamnida, merci for watching this video all the way to this part. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. More hair contents coming up soon, including how I take care of my actual hair in those protective styles, more and likes. So if you're interested in that, yes, you should be interested in that. So subscribe once again, give me a big thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Peace! To get clips and pics of the numerous way I'll be styling this hair, check out my Instagram or TikTok at same handle.